Hi, hello, and good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to each and every aspirants. Welcome to Cracket Academy, your one-stop solution for RRB, SSC, CSAT, and other government examinations. So, the main purpose of this channel is to help and provide a premium level content for non-Hindi aspirants and also for Hindi aspirants too who can understand English. But being a non-Hindi aspirant, I have struggled many times getting a premium content or a good quality content in YouTube. So I don't want my other fellow members to face the same situation. So I have created this channel where I'll be starting a new playlist where I'll be completing each and every syllabus in detail starting from today. So today, see, I won't be asking you to subscribe, like, comment, share, nothing. If you like my content, if you are satisfied with the way I explain, then you can think about it. My main aim is to reach maximum aspirants or students as much as possible and to provide the valuable contents through my experience. So, welcome to Cracket Academy. Today I'll be speaking about SSC CGL 2025, where I'll be explaining you the exam pattern and syllabus completely in English. Okay, now in this I'll be explaining only the exam pattern and syllabus. If you want the perks, the salary, the different types of positions, promotion, different posts, each and everything in detail, I would request you to please wait for the part 2 of this video. Okay, now let's move on. SSC CGL 2025. What is SSC? As few of you guys know, SSC stands for Staff Selection Committee, and those who don't know, please understand. SSC stands for Staff Selection Committee. They conduct the examination, they monitor it, they do the evaluation, they release out the list, and you get a job. This is what SSC does. What is CGL? CGL stands for Combined Graduation Level. So, as the name itself says, this examination, the eligible candidate must be a graduate. Okay, so what is the age criteria? Few posts have the age criteria from 18 to 21, 18 to 27, and few have the age limitation from 80 to 30 years. So in this video I'll be explaining you the patterns and syllabus. In the part 2 of this video I'll be explaining each and every thing or eligibility, different posts, perks, etc. in detail. Okay, so let's move on. So as you can see, the organization name is Staff Selection Committee. Exam name is called SSC CGL 2025 because you'll be writing in the year of 2025. Okay, now the selection process of this examination is in two level, which is the tier 1 and tier 2. Now the question that arises in your mind is, sir, is tier 1 and tier 2 both are MCQ based, or is there any written format? I would like you all guys to know that both tier 1 and tier 2 are MCQ based. Okay, but you have a typing test along with the tier 2 examination. So in order to enter tier 2, you have to clear tier 1 with the cutoff required as per those criterias of that year. Cutoffs vary each and every year. Okay, so last year the post was around 8,000. The cutoff was for the general category. I'll be speaking for in perspective of general category, it was around 150, but this time the post has been increased to 18,200, etc., etc., but the cutoff also increased from 150 to 154. Why? No one knows. It completely depends on the level of competition or other things which you will be realizing in future. Okay, now, sir, what is the maximum marks in tier 1 examination? Sir, in tier 1 examination, you will be having 100 questions, you'll be having 60 minutes. Yes, 60 minutes, 1 hour to solve 100 questions for the total marks of 200. So, if you are good in maths, you can easily calculate the marks for one question. But if you are not good at it, don't worry, I'll be starting a syllabus or a playlist on mathematics, reasoning, general awareness, and English. So, no need to worry, you can catch up with this. So, I was explaining 1 marks, right? I mean, 1 question carries 2 marks. So, 100 question is equal to 200 marks. Tier 2 examination, you will be having 3 papers: paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. Sir, 3 papers. Don't worry, you can relax. If you are not applying for the post which require statistics and economics, you need to write one and only paper 1. Paper 2 and paper 3 is not mandatory for each and every post. Paper 2 is the statistics paper, which is mandatory for the people who opt or who tick marks the post regarding statistics, that is as statistical officer, etc. Paper 3 is for the people who opt AAO in their list. AAO stands for Assistant Auditing Officer, which is a Group B gazetted post. They have to write paper 3, it is mandatory. But if you are not opting those 2 posts, and if you are opting any other post such as GST inspector, preventive officer, income tax inspector, ED, etc., in fact CBI, narcotics, there are way many posts. If you want all those in details, you have to wait for part 2. I'll be explaining each and every post in details with the salary, the perks, the training period, etc. in detail. Now, coming to negative marking. Yes, you heard it right, there is a negative marking. For tier 2, I'll be explaining it in the next upcoming videos. For tier 1, it is 0.50 marks for each wrong question. You will not only be losing 2 marks of that question, but also be losing half, that is 0.5 marks from the question which is correct. The question which you have marked correct, instead of 2, you'll be getting 1.5, because the next question you have made a mistake. That is how the negative marking works. Hope you guys understand. Now, pattern of tier 1 examination. Tier 1 examination, you'll be having 4 parts. The first part is reasoning, the second one is general awareness, the third one is aptitude, or you call it as mathematics, the fourth one is English. Each subject carries 25 questions, and each question carries 2 marks, which sums up to, if there are 25 questions, you get 50 marks. The total marks is 200. Okay, now the exam pattern of tier 2. In tier 2, Paper 2 and paper 3, as I have informed, it is only for the people who opt for certain posts such as statistical officer or assistant auditing officer, etc., etc. But other than that, paper 1 is mandatory for each and everyone, including AAO, statistical officer. Everyone must write paper 1. Paper 2 and paper 3 is not mandatory for everyone. Okay, it completely depends on the post you opt, but paper 1 is mandatory for each and everyone. In paper 1 you will be having 3 sections. The section 1 is mathematical abilities, the section 2 is reasoning. It both has 30 questions, and here in tier 2 each question carries 3 marks. 3 marks each question. So 3 into 30, 90 marks from mathematics, 90 marks from reasoning. But look at this. English carries 45 question into 3, which is 135, which has the highest weightage compared to all in this tier 2 examination. So in tier 1 the marks or the weightage was equally distributed among the 4, but here the marks has been varied from subject to subject. In general awareness you have to get around 25 question, which is around 25 threes are 75 marks. Okay, and here you'll be having a computer knowledge test, a basic computer. I'll be covering that also in the same channel. I'll be creating a separate playlist. You can do that. Data entry, which is a typing test. There will be a passage you have to write. You have to type those passage. The recommended speed is 27 words per minute. If you are about 27 words per minute, congratulations, you can easily clear the data entry speed test, which is just a qualifying examination. Even computer knowledge test is also a qualifying in nature, but your complete merit list depends on these 4 subjects, and the total marks or the marks in which you have to score to get in the merit list is, out of 390 you have to score minimum of 300 plus to be on a safer side. Okay, if you are coming from a general category, I'm speaking in perspective of general category. Okay, now after this, these are your syllabus for tier 1 mathematics. You'll be having quadrilaterals, polygon, etc., hemisphere. Each and every topics are in detail. But wait, see here 24, see 38. Sir, should I have to read all the 38 topics? Yes, but you have to plan the topics which you have to give more weightage on, which carries more weightage. You have to select those types of topics in order to secure a good marks. Okay, I'll be explaining all those strategies, how to start, when to start, from where to start, everything. So please stay tuned. In the upcoming videos I'll be creating a strategy video. Each and every topics on all the 4 subjects I'll be covering in detail. Okay, next, this is your syllabus for general intelligence. This is your syllabus for tier 2 examination. You can see you'll be having module 1, module 2, etc. Don't worry, I'll be sharing these all topics. I'll be sharing this complete PPT in this video description, so please do check out. The link would be a direct drive link, so you can download it and go through each and every topics in detail. Okay, this is your statistics syllabus, continuation of statistics syllabus. This is your finance and economics syllabus, first page, second page, and third page. So this is it. These are the syllabus. Now I can't sit and read all the syllabus words. It does not have meaning. It just wastes your time. So I would request you all to please download the PPT and go through it. Okay, go through each and every PPT, every slides. You'll get an idea. Then please stay tuned for part 2, which would be uploaded very soon based on the responses I get. Okay, and if you want high premium level content for free from basic, from 0 to advanced level, I would be providing each and everything in this channel. So I would request you to please check out the channel. Have a great day, have a great year ahead. Wishing you all a belated Happy New Year, because I'm recording this video in the midnight of 2025, January 1st. I don't know when I'll upload this video. So belated Happy New Year. Take care. Bye bye.